Hey everyone. And we're back. We're gonna do some more live coding, and probably a little bit of code review stuff. I'm gonna focus on Spark on Kubernetes stuff, which I haven't had a chance to do for a while. I've been busy with a bunch of other things, both like at my day job, which that's that's a whole thing, and also some other stuff. So, what are we going to do? Yeah, Spark on Kubernetes. I'm going to start with doing a code review, and then maybe, sort of depending on how that goes, I'll try and do some more things as well. The other stuff that we're going to try and do is what? Something else. Oh, yeah, code review, and then the other thing that I want to try and get upstream into Spark, which I'll like hopefully raise a PR for today. Maybe not. We'll see how time goes because I've only got an hour until my next meeting. Oh damn! I really got to redo some of my hair dye. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll do that after this. Is I want to make something to turn off the watchers in Kubernetes Spark integration, and that's just because of the way how we deploy things with Netflix. Um, the watchers aren't really going to do the same thing that they do for most people, and I think there's other circumstances under which people would want to turn off the watchers, just from a performance standpoint. So, on that note, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started with looking at the Spark PRs on Kubernetes land, because I'm like 90% sure there is something in here for us to do. So, okay, 2.5 kilometers an hour is maybe a little bit fast. Let's bring this down to 2 so that I can still actually do things. Oh, I didn't want to turn it all the way off. Just a little lower so that I can do my, like, talking out loud. Okay. Wait, did it get merged? That seems weird. Let me go look. Unless maybe it's not tagged as Kubernetes? That would be weird. Okay. Uh, okay. Volcano. Okay, 2 closed PRs. Okay. They're both. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So there's this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I guess we're not going to do a code review. I guess we're mostly going to respond on Jira, and that's okay too. And let's answer the other developers' questions. And I'm sorry it's taking me so long. Yeah. Okay. That's specify a scheduler in queue. Creative. Yeah. Okay, cool. There is a PR for this. So let's go ahead and take a look at this PR. There we go. Add the ability to specify a scheduler driver side. Hells to the yeah. Yeah, I dig it. Okay. Yes, 100%. If this passed, I'm gonna go ahead and merge it. Hells yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's go take a look at the failing Kubernetes integration tests. Which one failed? Oh, Spark R. I really don't give a shit about it. Sorry. Let me rephrase this. Oh, remove reason statistics. Okay, that's new. Um, hmm. Remove reason. Ah, interesting. Okay. Hmm. Decommission unfinished. I'm not super sure. What does decommission unfinished mean in this context? Hmm. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead, review changes, and we get to approve it. Oh hey. Hello. Looks good to me. Sorry for not answering on the Jira earlier. It's been a busy quarter. Cool. So that's rad. I dig it. What's up next? Okay, cool. This one's not done. Makes sense. But yeah, this is solid. I love it. I love code that I get to approve. That makes me so happy. Because, like, yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a little slow. I got distracted reviewing some code. But it's okay. I got coffee. And yeah, that's rad. So this is really rad. So let's talk through a little bit about what this does. So this adds the ability to support a specific scheduler. And there's a bunch of different kinds of schedulers that can exist on Kubernetes now. There's the default scheduler, but then there's also batch schedulers like Unicorn and Volcano. And the first step to sort of supporting that, I mean, we already did the first step, which was to make more of the stuff pluggable, but this is the next step, which allows the user to specify which scheduler they want to use. And so this is solid. I love it. It's great code. Hells yeah. Like, let's yeah. This is approved all around. Dongjun did have like a minor nit, so I'm gonna leave it to Dongjun to do the merge. I don't want to step on his toes. But like, yeah, that's some good stuff. I'm pretty stoked. So what is the next thing that we're gonna do? Brain is running a little slow today. Yeah, okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is I want to make some things more pluggable in Spark. And git checkout master. Git fetch apache-github. Okay. Git reset apache-github master -. Okay. And then now we're going to go ahead and we're going to check out a new branch. But before we do that, actually, I'm going to try and figure out if I filed a JIRA for the thing it is that I want to do. Issues reported by me. I think I reported it. Oh, I did want to do this too. Maybe this is more important, honestly. Actually, log time spent waiting for cluster resources. This is the one that I was going to do, and I meant to do this a long time ago, but I clearly didn't. So let's go ahead and get started on it, though. I think the next thing that we're going to pick up after this is logging the time spent waiting for cluster resources. Allow Spark on Kube to operate without watchers. Yeah. So let's go ahead and start that party. Actually, I wrote some code for this earlier, but it was under a slightly different environment. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that up as well on this other screen. Come on, hey. Goddamn computers. Ah, fuck. Okay, it looks like unplugging. Oh, okay. Hot unplugging my ThinkPad from its dock does not make it happy. Okay. So then here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Without pulling orb watchers. Okay. Get branch. Okay. So now we go ahead. Config.scala inside of the Kates directory, but the Kubernetes one is the only one that did it with a capital C. All of the other config files are okay. Yeah, I'm fine watching it. I should really change that, but that's okay. Okay. So val Kubernetes executor. Huh. Oh, Kubernetes API polling enabled. Spark Kubernetes API polling. If Spark should poll the Kubernetes, Spark should poll Kubernetes for executor pod status. You you should leave this enabled unless you're encountering performance issues with your etcd. Okay. Boolean comp, or is it, yeah, create with default, true. And we're going to do very similar. Should would create watchers for executor pod status. Okay, cool. I'm gonna double check. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna actually change this name, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move this over here. So it's Kubernetes executor API. So Kubernetes executor dot API polling. Enable API polling. Kubernetes executor enable API polling. Kubernetes executor enable API launcher. Kubernetes executor dot enable API watcher. Okay. Cool. So now executor pods polling snapshots source.scala private val okay. Then so if polling enabled polling executor polling executor. Oh, okay. Okay. What's up next? Let's okay, yeah. Executors pod, is it executors or executors? Executor pod pods watch snapshot source.scala. Okay. And then I don't think this one has the Spark comp in it yet. So we'll have to change it to take the Spark comp. Org Apache Spark, Spark comp. And then we also want Spark deploy case config dot yeah, that's the only thing we use from that, so let's not import everything. Okay, so then what we do here is if and then enable polling. Private val, enable polling. Oh yeah, we also need to Okay. So then we have to figure out how to test this. It's going to be annoying as fuck to test. Okay, let's go take a look at executor pod snap pods watch snapshot source sweep. Okay. So the other, I want to use Mockito never to verify that something is never called. So other thing that I need to do I have the Spark conf imported yet? No, okay. Import org apache spark dot spark conf. And then and then watcher source under test. Okay. Verify watch events. Verify if watchers are disabled. Yeah, I am walking. Don't call at the very leisurely 1.5 kilometers per hour. But if I don't walk while I code, then, you know, are disabled. We don't call. What do we do? Executor pause. Watch snapshots first in Scala. We don't call. So then we do here. Conf.set. Key false. Yeah, not quite 69 kilometers per hour. Although it would be funny. Okay. Yeah. All right, so there we go. That makes a come. Start that. And what are we gonna do? Brain is not running super fast today, which is fine. Okay, so there's a client. Yeah, okay. Verify Kubernetes client. Never. Switch to false after we verify this fails. So this is just, I want to write this in such a way that the test is going to fail first, so that I can like validate that this test is actually going to like catch it if we hadn't wired this up correctly. Other thing that I want to do is executor pod polling snapshot source. So that's probably going to be executor pods polling snapshot source suite. I imagine we're going to be adding similar imports of the Spark conf. Oh no, it looks like we're already importing the Spark conf in this one. And we're already importing the WildStar config, so that's solid. I'm guessing that I'm going to want to do never as well. So let's go ahead, figure out what happens when we look inside of executor pods, polling snapshot source.scala. Similarly, I think we're going to validate that we never call pods. Okay. Yeah. Think. I'm gonna have to move this here. Does that sound right? Because I need to be able to modify the Spark conf. Wait, what does this do? Inside of true false. Oh no, actually. Wait, what? Executor pod. Huh. Wait. What the fudge? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So test if polling is disabled, we don't call pods. Similar, very, very similar, actually. So then we're going to go over here. Maybe I don't have to do the dot key. Let's go take a look. Maybe I can do this. And so then let's do config.scala. True. Change to false after we verify this fails. Oh, Kitaniwa. Hi. I wish I was at KubeCon, but Okay. So what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'll do this polling tick for the polling interval, and then verify. Also, Cool. Oh. Okay, cool. So let's see. HP Kubernetes, clean compile Kubernetes test. Oh, that's definitely not going to work. But that's okay. That's okay. Because the other thing that we're going to need to do is we're actually going to need to update all of the places where we construct the executor pod watch snapshot source and the executor pod's polling snapshot source. So let's go ahead and start doing that, because it's probably a bunch of them, and I don't know where they are. Have a good one. Okay, so that's going to be Kubernetes Cluster Manager, Kubernetes Cluster Manager on Scala. Oh wait, actually, is it the polling snapshot source? That one, okay. This is the one where we've changed it. It's only the pod watch executor. Pods watch snapshot. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Okay. Okay. So actually, that looks like we probably got all of them. I'm guessing. We'll find out. Of course, we'll probably get a compile error to tell us what we did wrong in a minute or two. How am I doing on time? Okay. Okay. Oh, I should change that configuration around for my Rubit. Oh, no, not what I want. There we go. Okay. Solid. So main floor. Sorry, I have some Roombas, and there we go. There we go. Okay, okay. Okay, well, that's a good start. Okay, cool. Executor pod snapshot source suite. Line 83. Okay. That doesn't seem right. Executor pods. Oh, this is the polling one. Okay. Oh, fine. And then, yeah, okay. That's fine, okay. Oh, yeah, okay, sorry. This is not the syntax for that. I think that's the syntax for that. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Which tests failed? Yep. Never wanted but invoked. Okay, cool. So presumably, yeah. So this is great. Oh, except wanted but not invoked. Active executor pods list. Yeah. Interesting. Let's go take a look at that. Hmm. Interesting. Okay, so this is saying that what was wanted but never invoked was active executor pods.list, and there were no interactions with that mock. So presumably that was under value equals true. Let me double check what we did in the Spark conf. Sorry, the config cell. These are both defaulting to true. Okay, yeah. So if polling enabled, yes. So that should work, right? Like, interesting. I'm slightly confused. Kubernetes test only. Double check. What's going on here? So, so this looks like it's in reverse of what I want, right? Because I'm actually expecting that test to fail. So if polling is enabled, so conf.get Kubernetes executor enable API polling. Let's make a new Spark comp every time, because I think that we're mutating like a shared Spark comp, and this isn't making me feel particularly great. So, Spark comp. Okay. What? Okay. Private val default comp. Okay. Okay. This says if polling is enabled, then do this. If we go look at config.scala, Kubernetes executor enable API polling. Kubernetes executor enable API polling is set to true. So, okay. It's very confusing. Let's try. Putting that backwards. Okay. Yeah, no, okay. Wait, this is always passing. Okay, so that means that we're never actually calling pause during that. So let's go over here. Hmm. Okay, let's go over here. Let's take a look. Okay. So it's not that that's in backwards. I think it's that we're not, I would say, polling executor tick polling interval. Oh, is there like a start that I need to do? I think there's a start that I need to do. Yee. Okay, that's why. Okay. So then, oh, oops. Source. And then here, similarly, okay. There we go. One test fails, and I'm hoping it's the one that I'm expecting to fail. Okay, cool. Wanted, but never invoked. Oh, okay, well, kind of weird. So, wait, what? Oh, never wanted, but invoked. Okay, cool. So now that we've verified that this fails the way we want it to, again. Okay, cool. So those are the two tests that are failing. They're failing the way I sort of expect them to. So let's go ahead and we're going to change to false. And then okay, let's rerun that. Cool. Okay. Okay. Git commit -am add the ability to selectively disable either watching or watching or polling for pods on Kubernetes for environments where polling/watching, where etcd may be under a high load, or otherwise not support polling/watching. Okay. Cool. So that's solid. And we can go ahead and raise that as a PR. I'm pretty stoked. I like it when I get to rid of the PR. I guess I'm just generally pretty stoked. Okay, new pull requests, compare across forks. Three six. Star dash 36. 62. Okay. Create pull request. Spark dash 36462. Gates. Disable watching or okay. Watching or polling for pod status Kubernetes can place additional load on etcd with a large number of executors and a large number of jobs. This can have negative impacts. Yeah, and executors register themselves with the driver normal operations. Anyways, new config flags. 2 new config flags. How is it patch tested? New unit tests plus tested a forked version of this. On an internal cluster. With both launching and polling disabled. Plus manually. All right, cool. Oh, let's run the linter first. I'm not hungry. Maybe I'll go heat up some soup for lunch. Also a little bit sad. Stuff's kind of getting me down a little bit. To be honest. Oh, that's really, really slow. Okay, I guess it is running. Okay, cool. Create pull request. Solid. Honestly, I think this is a pretty good day. We reviewed a PR, we made a PR, all in under an hour. Admittedly, like based on some previous forked code that I'd done before. But still, like this is honestly more than I normally would accomplish. It's probably some of the anxiety. So I think I'm gonna go take a break for lunch because I got a meeting in like 12 minutes, and if I heat up some soup, maybe I'll just eat salad. I don't know. I'm going back and forth on this. Oh, yeah. You know what? Maybe I'll make salad. And by make salad, I mean eat the salad in the fridge. And you can just go outside and like have a pretty chill time. And I think that might be kind of nice. And I'll come back tonight and do some more. What do we call it? Okay, let me rephrase this. I intend to come back tonight and do a bit more work on the Dask and Ray books. Time will tell, of course. But yeah, thanks everyone for joining. Really great. Oh, oof. Oh, fuck no. Okay, bye y'all. And maybe time for some stretching too. Let me make sure before I press the stop button